Hey guys, Reese here and welcome back to my channel. So I recently hit a milestone here on YouTube, which is actually making money from one of my videos. Pretty cool. It won't be much. It'll be around $20, $30. However, this represents the first money, like I said, that I've actually made on a YouTube video since I'm not yet monetized here on YouTube. And while that is certainly a small amount, it's definitely motivational, and I think it's motivational for many other small channels who have yet to make a little bit of money from all the hard work they're putting into making these videos. Now, for those of you that don't know, it requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to become monetized on YouTube, which means the ads that YouTube shows on your videos, you start to receive money from YouTube for that. And now even when you get that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, it takes probably about another month for YouTube to review your channel and monetize you. So it's a long process to say the least. Now, some of the biggest channels on YouTube, they make millions of dollars from advertising alone on YouTube. It's pretty awesome and motivational to see what the top channels can make on YouTube. However, it's also, kind of sad to see how many channels die out before they hit monetization. They've made 50, 60, 100 videos, but they've burned themselves out because they haven't seen any progress towards actually becoming monetized. That's hundreds of hours that you've put into creating these videos that haven't paid you anything. And so unless you're one of the people with a strong passion towards what you're talking about, those are the channels that become successful because they weather that time period of not making any money. However, I believe a lot of people, especially smaller channels, rely on YouTube advertising much more than they have to. So they see that as the only way to make money here on YouTube. And therefore, when it takes 6 months to a year and they're still not monetized, they kind of give up. And of course, as a small channel, you're not going to be making hundreds of thousands of dollars if you only have 1,000 subscribers like I do. However, it is possible to implement a few things that will start to generate income for you before you actually become monetized. And it won't be livable income, but it's something to keep you motivated, keep you pushing and improving your videos so that way people stick around longer, watch more, and then you get monetized quicker. So guys, today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to monetize your videos without YouTube actually doing the monetization, and how you can start making money as a small channel before you get that 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So guys, if you're interested in that, please stick around to the end of the video today. But before we jump into that, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if you would. I really appreciate it. I usually talk about finance and real estate related topics. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing and sticking around to watch a few more videos. All right, the first method, and I think one we all know, we see it implemented everywhere, is referral links or like affiliate links. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to implement monetization on your channel, and that's why we also see it on pretty much every YouTube channel. You see these links in the description, and this is exactly how I made my first few dollars on YouTube. Is I made a video reviewing the Yotta savings account. I'll link it up here if you're interested in watching it. However, I linked my referral code to Yotta in the description, and people saw how much I liked the bank account. They decided to sign up using my code. I got 100 free tickets and they get 100 tickets, which leads to winning some amount of money. That's why I say, I don't know how much I've made yet. Seeing past performance of these tickets, I would guess it's gonna be around 20 bucks or something like that. Not too much, but that's how I implemented referral links. You see other finance channels that have, M1 Finance, Robinhood, Webull, Amazon affiliate links in their description, and that way when people sign up, they make money. And now these types of referral links work phenomenally well when your video is gauged around the product. So if you have a video talking about a toy on YouTube, well, you can link to that toy in Amazon using the Amazon affiliate program. And that way, if people like this toy that you're talking about, they can also go buy the toy and you get a little kickback from Amazon for your affiliate link to that product. Now, the second way to start monetizing your channel before you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time is to sell a product. Now, you tend to see this more from YouTube channels that have, gained 100,000 subscribers, 500, 1 million subscribers, and then they start to, advance in their YouTube career and create a product that they can then promote to their channel and start to build, multiple streams of income from this YouTube channel. However, that doesn't have to be the case. You can get this implemented when you have 500 subscribers. And of course, the amount of money you make from this product is going to be substantially less at 500 subscribers than 1 million. But the idea is you start to build the product, and as your channel grows, your separate revenue streams grow as well. And of course, you don't need a YouTube channel to create a product. You can create a product that's something you're passionate about, you really enjoy, something that you're willing to put the time required in to really perfect that product. However, where a YouTube channel comes in is now you don't need to pay for advertising. Normally you'd have to pay other channels or use Google Ads to promote your product. But if you build your own audience, you can, keep that extra profit by not advertising and promoting on your social media. This will also help you, of course, to get off the ground when you don't have much money to start a business with in the first place. We see channels like Kylie Jenner, who started Kylie Cosmetics. And this is probably one of the most successful implementations, where Kylie at one point was a billionaire, the youngest billionaire in the world. However, there's also much smaller channels implementing this. A channel I watch is Maxx Chewning, who used to be a fitness vlogger. Now he's more of an entertainment vlogger. However, he created a sour candy company called Sour Strips. And that was something he was passionate about. And he has turned that into a multi-million-dollar business because he first had these subscribers to promote to. Now, he has also promoted with other YouTube channels, and you can do this as well. You can reach out to other YouTubers whose channels might be similar to yours or similar to the product you're promoting, and pay them to promote your product or give them free product, however that works. But as you build your YouTube channel, you can push your product to your audience. We also see Emma Chamberlain, who started a subscription coffee company, Guzman, who started Alphalete Athletics, a fitness clothing company, and many other people that, as they create their YouTube channel, have started to implement products. They've all turned their YouTube channel into a successful multi-million-dollar business by building out separate legs of income. So they still get advertising income from YouTube, but now they get income for products, and that income starts to surpass that of YouTube. Now, you don't necessarily need a large channel to start this. If you create a product you're passionate about and something that meshes well with your audience you're building on YouTube, you can get this implemented with 500 subscribers or less. Obviously, the income will be substantially lower, but you can start there and the income will grow as you scale. Make sure the product you sell meshes with your audience though. For example, Kylie Jenner sells makeup because a lot of the people watching her are girls that want to look similar to her and buy her makeup. Guzman is a fitness channel. He created fitness clothing, things like that. Now finally, the third thing I'll talk about today is selling information. This could be a course, this could be consulting, this could be mentorship of some sort. There's a lot of options when it comes to selling information. And this is also much more frequently used with my genre, which is finance and real estate. Selling information is much more important than selling a course really in this YouTube genre. Now, selling information is pretty cool because it costs next to nothing to start to create that product. So you can create a teachable course for free, I think, and then it costs money monthly or whatever, or a percentage of your sales. Or you can sell your time through Calendly, have people schedule time on your calendar for $100 for an hour or whatever for consulting. But then it's scalable. If you do the course, it's indefinitely scalable with very little money, very little time. And so doing something this way could be far more beneficial than even creating a product. If you watch some finance channels, they talk about how much money they made in 2020 from YouTube. Well, a lot of these channels that have created, quality courses, keyword quality there, the income from the course tends to match or eclipse that of YouTube, which is just shocking. And so they might make $400,000 from YouTube and then make another $400,000 in course sales. However, once again, it's extremely important to always keep an eye out for your integrity and reputation on YouTube. If you create just a bogus course about something you don't really know about and you kind of throw together, that's going to ruin your reputation and probably ruin your channel growth long term because people don't trust you. Mentorship is also a great idea. This could be implemented in a subscription fashion, maybe, which people pay you $100 a month to get to sit down with you or to video chat with you 30 minutes once a week, and you get 10 people doing that. You're making $1,000 for 5 hours a week of your time. Not really scalable, but this is a method that might work well for a small channel as well. can also implement Patreon. Upload videos that are separate from your YouTube channel, upload information, content that are separate from the YouTube channel, and charge $5 a month for this extra bonus content. And over time, that's infinitely scalable because you post once for thousands of people, and that's a good income source as well. These will all be trickles of income as you get started with 200, 500 subscribers. But the point is, as your channel grows, you continue to make more and more money. So it might not seem worth it to implement something that takes 100 hours of your time to create, 100 hours of your time to create an awesome course, and you're only getting 10 bucks a month from it when you're small. But when you start making $1,000 a month and then $10,000 a month, as your channel grows, that's where it gets interesting. Guys, that's my top 3 suggestions for a small YouTube channel. Obviously, there's many more ways to make money on YouTube. For example, sponsored videos. However, I don't bring that up for a small channel because a lot of times these sponsored videos or the people sponsoring these videos are relatively sketchy companies when it comes to smaller channels, because those are the only channels that will support the product. So guys, those are my suggestions for you. Stick with it if you're a small YouTube channel out there creating awesome content for your subscribers. I wish you the best of luck. And I also hope you go ahead and like this video if it helped you out today, and subscribe if you'd like to learn more about finance, real estate, and things of that nature. So guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching to the end. Have a great day.